He calls them here the enemies of the cross of Christ. Now, please, look at that. Enemies of the cross of Christ. That is strong language. Who is he talking about? He's talking about the legalists, the Judaizers that we had already mentioned in the Philippian letter. These legalists who are emphasizing their own works, their own righteousness, their own earning, they think, of God's salvation. And in emphasizing that, they are denying the finished work of Jesus Christ on the cross. So they're enemies of the cross of Christ because they're denying the very reason for which we need the cross. Here's the bottom line. If you could get to heaven any other way than Jesus spilling his blood on Calvary's cross, if you could get to heaven by good works, by infant baptism, by confirmation, by continued membership in a church, then why did Jesus Christ have to leave heaven and come to this earth to die? Why? These that Paul is mentioning were posers, Christian pretenders, Christian posers, impersonators, enemies of the cross of Christ. Christianity is not a creed. It's not a set of rules. It has its creeds, it has its rules, but Christianity is Christ as a person in a personal relationship, and at the center of that is his atoning death on the cross. Well, we go further in that verse, and their characteristics are given, and it's enough to make anyone weep. By the way, just as an aside, what makes you weep? I can tell you.